Hello and welcome. Today I am going to be going over how to start a Zoom meeting and some tips and tricks once you're in there. This video assumes that you have already downloaded the Zoom app and have it installed. Okay, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is open Zoom, and we want to click this orange button that says New Meeting. So clicking that and then hello, there I am. So we want to get someone else to join our party. So down here, you'll see we've got all these different controls, and I am going to click invite. And I am going to use my default email, and I am going to email my friend who is joining me today. So I just put in her email address, I'm clicking send, and off it goes to her. So let's see when she joins. Hello!
Hi.
Yay! How are you, Tia?
Great. Thanks for Zooming me.
Thank you so much for joining me today. This is wonderful. So, we're going to be giving you some insights into what you can do in a Zoom meeting. So, since I'm the host, let me just kind of go across the bottom here and tell you a little bit about these icons. One of the first ones is the mute button. I'm going to click that, and then let's see. Tia, can you hear me? Can you hear me? I don't think she can hear me.
I can't hear you.
Okay, I just unmuted. So another thing I can do here is stop video. If I click that, all of a sudden you'll see a picture of me instead of the video. So that can be nice if you're doing some other things in the background. So I'm starting my video back up. Tia, can you see the video?
I can see it. Yep.
All right, awesome. Okay, the next thing that I am going to do is share my screen so that Tia can see what I can see on my computer. So I'm going to click this share button, and then I'm just going to click the blue share button, and now, Tia, can you see my computer screen?
Yes, I can.
Great, can you see like my website is up here?
Yep.
Great, awesome. Well, listen, I am now going to give you control of my computer. So
Great.
when I put my cursor at the very, very top of my browser window, these
Uh-huh.
controls drop down, and one of them is remote control.
Okay.
So I'm going to say give mouse and keyboard control to Tia.
Okay. So I've got control now, and I'm going to click on one of these browsers that you already have open. So I'm clicking the
Yay!
TED Talks. Now I'm going to click on Earth Day Eco Challenge.
Yay!
Yay!
Awesome! Isn't that so great?
So cool. So now I'm going to go to view options, and I'm going to click on stop remote control and give it back to you.
Okay, that sounds great. Awesome! I have control again. So now I'm going to go ahead and click the stop share button. And now we're back in video mode. Yay! So one of the other things that's kind of fun to see is that there's different ways you can view people in Zoom. So I am using what's called gallery view, but there's another option which is speaker view. And when I do speaker view, I see Tia here, she's taking up the majority of the screen, and then I'm very small at the top. And then if I click gallery view, which I think of as like the Brady Bunch view, then we're all in little panels, little squares. So that's kind of a fun thing. You can see which view you like the best. Let's see. Ooh, let's do some chatting. So there's a chat button, and that opens a window, and I can say, hi, Tia, and hit enter and send it off to her.
And I'll say, hello, Erin, and I'll send it off to you.
Yay! Thank you. And so if there are multiple people in your meeting, you can come down here and choose if you want to send like a private message to someone, you can just send it to them, or you can send it to everyone. So that's really fun. And one thing we can do, it's just the two of us right now, but if we wanted to, we could invite more participants. And I know I can invite people from my end. Tia, do you see that button as well on your end?
Yep, I can click participants. And I'm not seeing under invite, sorry.
Yeah.
Yep.
No, yeah.
Uh-huh.
That's
Yeah.
perfect. Good. So then you can have people come into the Zoom meeting.
Very cool.
And I have manage participants, and I'll click on that. And what I can do up here is I'll see a list of all the participants, and there's a couple of different options I have. I can mute Tia, and then I can unmute her. And you can use that for anyone that's in your group. And then there's some more options here, such as I can make Tia the host. So it says, do you want to change the host to Tia? And I click yes, and now
I'm the host.
Does it even tell you if you're the host, or is it just like...
It does, yep. It says I'm the host, and then it says that I can mute everyone, and I'll do that, and then now I'll unmute everybody. Yep.
Nice.
And then there's a more button that you can play around with too.
Awesome. Oh my gosh, this is so great. So, do you mind handing me host controls again, please?
Yes.
Thank you.
Remind me how to do that, Erin.
Okay, sure. Yeah, you've got a manage participants button at the bottom of your screen.
Yes.
You'll click that, and then you'll hover over me, and you'll see a little more button. You'll click that, and it will say, make Erin the host.
Okay, got it. More, and, yep. Make host. Okay. Got it.
Oh, great. And it says you are the host now. Awesome. So that is really everything I wanted to cover on this initial Zoom tutorial. And thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for joining, Tia.
Thanks, Erin.
Yay.
Thank you.
So the last thing I'll do is click end meeting, and then I will end the meeting for all. Bye, Tia.
Bye.
Thank you so much.